Hello, my name's Marissa Dander. I'm making this video for my Module 6 assignment for personal finance on ways to reduce costs for homeowners insurance. I found a website by the Insurance Information Institute, and it has an article for 12 ways to reduce insurance costs. The first way is shopping around, obviously. Giving your information to different insurance companies, seeing which ones have the better rate and better coverage. The next way to reduce costs is to raise your deductible. By doing this, it creates a lower premium, sometimes by 25%. The next way it talks about is to don't confuse the cost that you paid for your house for the cost of rebuilding, because the cost of your house obviously includes the value of the land that your home is on, and if you need to rebuild your home for whatever reason, you don't need to add in the cost of the land, because obviously the land is going to be fine if your home is ruined. Another way to reduce costs is to bundle your home and auto insurance policies with the same insurance company. It's also good if you stay with the same insurance company for a long period of time, because it reduces the premiums over time. Another way to reduce cost is to make your home more disaster resistant. If you talk to your insurance agents, you can ask them how to do that. And if you say you're in an area with sandstorms, if you put storm shutters on your windows and things like that, and you let them know, that should reduce the cost of your insurance. Also, improving home security is a good way to reduce costs. You should also ask about other discounts. That's always a good way. Discounts are always good. Maintaining good credit is a really good way to reduce costs. A lot of insurance companies take your credit into account these days for homeowners insurance. Also, it goes on to talk about each year you need to review the limits of your policy and then go back and check the value of your possessions and just kind of reevaluate what possessions you have and how much coverage you have over those possessions. If you have more than you did, maybe you should raise your insurance to make sure that everything is covered. Also, if you have a government plan, just because of the area you might have to have a government plan, you can check with the state to see if there are private companies that you would be allowed to insure with. That way you can see which is least expensive for you. And the last way it talks about in reducing costs would be to consider homeowners insurance when you're buying a home. It talks about you can actually get a cheaper rate if you have a home that's next to a fire hydrant, just different things like that. Just take it into consideration when you're looking at homes. Maybe even call a couple companies beforehand to see what types of homes get cheaper insurance and things like that. And yeah, those are the ways I found to reduce homeowners insurance costs, and I think they are really good and helpful ways, and I'll definitely be taking all of these things into consideration when we decide to go out and buy a home. Thank you.